done, mister. Well done. No more excuses. I know. How does he feel? Does he feel good? Oh yeah. Are you in a good mood?
Dog brushes are great, but let's face it, they make a lot of mess. Thanks to Nibot P1 Pro Grooming Kit, all the pet hair goes directly into the vacuum container. That means no more tangled hair and no more piles of fur spreading all over the house. Nibot P1 Pro is an all-in-one grooming toolkit that is easy to use, it's affordable, and extremely simple to clean. It provides 5 proven grooming tools: a grooming brush, a D-shaped brush, an electric clipper, a nozzle head, and a cleaning brush. These tools are all you need to give your pets a professional grooming session at home, so you get to save money, time, while taking good care of your pets. All these tools are very intuitive and you get the hang of them in literally no time. Just check how oddly satisfying is this quick release button. Now Leo and Tiger look and smell amazing as if they came straight from a pet salon. The link is in the description.